Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at this picture. It is an umbrella. 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 Up. 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 Under the umbrella. This bird is under the umbrella. Under the umbrella. Under. 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 What is the initial sound of the umbrella? Umbrella. What is the initial sound of the up? Up. What is the initial sound of the under? Under. Under. Now let's learn how to write a sound. Bismillah. Go down, curve, up, down, curve. Now write a sound in the center or make it with Play-Doh. Have a fun. Let's learn the sound with a picture. Under. Under, yes. We have to match it with a sound. Jam, a jam, no. Turtle, a turtle, no. A tissue, oh no. A umbrella, yes it is. See you later with the next letter, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.